Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen after 2019, what we have seen, there is a continuous upside. Okay, and a swing has formed and two patterns are formed, and these two patterns are similar as you can see from 2012 to 2022, which you can see in my monthly video. Okay, these two pattern, what it says, this is a 8-month pattern and this is a 2 years pattern. Okay, and these patterns are same, creating a U pattern, and after that there is a downfall, we have seen a downfall, and after that there is an upside, we have seen an upside here also. Okay, this is called a cup pattern. Probability is very high that if this level sustain, and keep repeating in my monthly videos as well as weekly, that if the price sustain above a level of 1852, chances was very high it can touch a level of $2010 and then further upside if the price sustain. But understand something, that you have to be very careful, that you have to always trail your SL. Suppose if you are in profit of suppose $100 minimum, I'm telling you, if it comes to 80%, exit the trade for the day, or even whatever you are in a profit, or you can keep it maximum of 60%. Okay, that is if the price comes to 60%, that means if your profit comes to 60%, exit the trades, because maybe it can go for 1000% upside, but your profit should not wiped out. Okay, if your profit will be wiped out, then what is the probability that you can wait after your SL also, and then your capital can be wiped out. This is the most people do mistakes, and that is where they lose their full capital. Okay, so now before we move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, chances of touching $1998 is there, because this is the second resistance after a level of $1995. Okay, so now trading at around $1988.92. so if this level sustain, we can see a level of 1988 as a strong support. So bounce back we can see if the price sustain this level. Okay, and it can touch a level of around 1995. So once it sustain 1995, probability is high it can go towards a level of $1998, and if that level sustain, then we can see a level of around 2010. Keep this in mind, 2010 is a support, which is a resistance, which is already a weak resistance. So chances are very high if the price comes close to this particular level, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 2018 to a level of around $2049. Okay, and once the price sustain above $2049, then there is high chance of going further upside, and then we can see it can go towards a level of $2070, and if the price sustain above that level, it can go and cross a level of $2081, and this is an all-time high. We can see it can go further upside. Okay, this level we have not seen since 5 years, so probability can be high that it can go further upside. Okay, after the pandemic, this will be the high where we can see it can go further high, and probability is very high because this level has not come since April of 2022. So chances of going further upside is there, and volatility in gold is very high after pandemic. Okay, now if the price didn't sustain this particular level, because I will not tell you that the market will go in one direction. Okay, you can see the trend is upside overall, but there is a volatile range. Okay, so always try to, if the volatility is very high, try to increase your target as well as your SL, so that your SL should not be hit before hitting your target. Probability can be there that SL can be hit, but chances are very high if the market is volatile, as hitting SL is a very, means it hits, because the volatility is huge, that the target also hit and the SL also hit. So always try to reduce your quantity by half. Okay, increase your SL and target by twice. Okay, so chances of going further upside is there. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, what we can see, if the price didn't sustain, it can go further down and towards a level of around $1980, and if that level also goes further low, then we can see it can touch a level of around $1976, and once the price fall below that particular zone, then we can see a level of 1965 to a level of 1958. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, chances of touching 1950 is there, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of 1934. Okay, and if the price fall below that level, chances of going further down is there, and then we can see a level of $1924, and from there we can see it can go further down towards a level of 1917. Okay, and you have to keep this in mind, once the price fall below a level of 1917, then we can see it will come in this particular zone, and a probability of going further down is there, then we can see a level of around $02 and further. So once the price fall below 1902, then we can see it can go further down. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. Okay, or I take workshop where I teach how to read fundamental and technical analysis. Okay, I also teach how to overcome all these fears where most of the traders lose money. Okay, if you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.